FordAV has a great workflow. We don't cut corners. There's a lot of processes in place. Through all of that, that brings a value to the customer. The customer can be assured that they're going to get a quality system, they're going to get a system that functions as they were expecting, and it's going to be completed on time.
FordAV is very design-centric. We focus a lot on our designs with a big engineering team to fulfill customer customization needs and work with them to get the best results both form-wise and function-wise as well as aesthetics.
I think of great audio when I hear AtlasIED. The sales teams are very responsive, quotes come around quickly. My first experience with the SHS speakers was in an installation for a government facility. They had several classrooms, one of them was a combinable space, and they really just needed good quality sounding audio with very little impact on the aesthetics of the room.
This particular customer came to us with a specific set of challenges and requirements regarding their training space to have full sound near an airport with a very architecturally unique slanted wooden ceiling.
So we approached the customer with the idea of bringing in the SHS speakers. They really liked the idea that they were very small form factor. They liked it even more that we could blend it in with the ceiling tiles with the coloring.
AtlasIED was great. They worked with us and allowed us to provide them a sample of the material in which to match off of it and took a lot of the work off of our hands.
The ceiling that was in these rooms was a custom wood ceiling. It wasn't like you could just go to various hardware stores and pick up an extra tile if you damaged it. So cutting holes into that, we obviously wanted to be very careful and we wanted to make as little impact as possible on that.
The 3-inch lens allowed us to utilize hole saws in place of jigsaws and rafts, which made an installation process a lot easier.
After we installed the speakers, I went back and I did a test run with the customer and we listened to audio, we listened to a presenter as well as some media content that they were playing, and it sounded great.
I was truly impressed by the overall sound quality of the speakers for having such a small form factor.
The client reacted very well. He was very happy with the audio coverage and the aesthetics of the room. He walked me through all the classrooms and talked about how impressed the instructors were when they came back in and taught for the first time.